Welcome to Soul Growth Stories, where we explore the resilience of the human spirit through tales of courage, love, and unwavering determination. At 4 in the morning, while the rest of the city sleeps in comfort, Elena begins her long day in the quiet darkness. The kitchen light flickers, casting a soft yellow glow over her tired face as she prepares a simple lunch for her young daughter. Every spare second is a precious opportunity. She studies complex formulas while her hands perform the routine tasks of a devoted mother. She counts the coins quietly, a daily ritual of anxiety. There is barely enough for the bus fare and a small coffee. The financial pressure is a heavy weight on her shoulders, but she refuses to let the fear paralyze her for even a moment. She walks into the bedroom to check on her sleeping child. The sight of that peaceful face is the fuel for her engine. She acted as the architect and the protector. When the world told her to give up, she quietly whispered, "Just one more day." She leaves a handwritten note on the table, a small gesture to ensure her daughter feels loved even when she is not there. She steps out into the biting cold, leaving the warmth of her home behind to fight battles that no one else will see. The bus ride is her library. While others sleep or scroll on phones, she absorbs knowledge, determined to change her current reality. Her first shift begins at the diner. The noise is deafening, a chaotic symphony of clattering plates and demanding customers shouting orders. She carries heavy trays and forces a smile for strangers, hiding the fatigue that threatens to pull her down to the floor. Indignity is part of the job description. She swallows her pride, reminding herself that every dollar earned is a stepping stone forward. During her short break, she hides in the back alley. A video call to her daughter provides the only sunshine in her day. The first shift ends, but her day is only half over. She rushes to the next location, racing against the clock and traffic. The sun sets, and she enters the high-rise office building. Here, she becomes invisible, cleaning the spaces where powerful decisions are made. Her hands are rough from harsh chemicals and hard labor. They tell the story of sacrifice that words could never fully capture. She cleans the boardrooms she dreams of one day leading. It is not envy she feels, but a burning desire to belong there. Her exhaustion was invisible to her child, but her strength was a fortress. She traded her sleep for her daughter's future. The city lights blur as she walks to the bus stop. Her feet ache with every step, a physical reminder of her double life. She arrives home to find her daughter asleep at the table. Guilt washes over her for missing dinner and the bedtime story ritual. She carries the sleeping child to bed, whispering apologies into the dark. She promises silently that all this hard work will pay off. The house is quiet, but her work is not done. There are dishes to wash, clothes to fold, and a life to manage. Most would collapse into bed, but Elena brews strong coffee. The night is her only time to build the bridge to a better life. The concepts are difficult, and her brain is foggy with fatigue. Doubt creeps in, whispering that she is not smart enough for this. For a moment, the dam breaks. She allows herself to cry, releasing the pent-up stress of carrying the world on her shoulders alone. Then she sees the drawing on the wall. Her daughter sees a superhero, and she realizes she cannot let that little girl down. She wipes her tears, turning her pain into power. She didn't just survive the storm, she learned to build her own sun. Seasons change outside her window. Winter turns to spring, but her routine remains a steadfast rhythm of work, care, and late-night study. Her daughter becomes her study partner. These moments of connection over flashcards become their unique language of love and shared ambition. The day of the final exam arrives. Her heart races as she stands at the threshold of the future she has fought so hard for. Surrounded by younger students, she pours years of late-night studying onto the paper. She is not just taking a test, she is rewriting destiny. Walking out into the sunlight, she feels a strange sense of peace. She has done everything she could. Now she must simply wait. The waiting period is agony. Days stretch into weeks as she continues her grind, hoping that this chapter of struggle is ending. Then, the moment arrives. She holds the envelope that contains the verdict, her hands shaking so much she can barely tear it open. Time seems to stand still. The sounds of the city fade away as she unfolds the paper that will determine her family's future. The words blur through her tears, but one stands out clearly. Congratulations. The breakthrough didn't happen by chance. She earned every letter. She weeps freely, releasing years of held-back emotion. The struggle was real, but the victory is sweeter than she ever imagined. She runs to her daughter, lifting her high. They spin in circles, a dizzying dance of triumph that marks the end of an era. The uniform changes. She trades the apron for a blazer, walking through the front doors of the corporate world with her head held high. She now sits at the desk she once polished. Her perspective and work ethic make her an invaluable asset to her new team. The dark, cramped apartment is replaced by a home filled with light. It is a physical manifestation of the brightness she brought to their lives. They cook dinner together, not in a rush, but in celebration. The most expensive thing she can now afford is quality time. Years flow by like a river. The little girl grows into a young woman, watching her mother set the standard for hard work. Elena wears her age with pride. Every grey hair is a badge of honor, a testament to the battles she fought and won. The cycle of dedication continues. Her daughter studies with the same intensity, inspired by the living example of resilience in the next room. The timeline jumps to a grand university hall. It is graduation day, the ultimate harvest of the seeds planted in those dark mornings. When her daughter's name is called, it rings out like a victory bell. She walks across the stage, carrying her mother's dream. In the crowd, Elena stands. She is not just a spectator. She is the foundation upon which this moment was built. Their eyes meet across the crowded hall. In that silent exchange, 1,000 thank yous are said, without a single word spoken. Being a single mom is twice the work, twice the stress, but twice the love. Today, the struggle is forgotten, and only love remains. She places her cap on her mother's head. It is a symbolic gesture, acknowledging that this degree belongs to them both equally. Memories of cold bus rides and empty wallets flash by. They are no longer sources of pain, but reminders of how far they traveled. To every mom refusing to quit, the world sees your struggle, but your child sees a hero. Your sacrifices are never in vain. The future is now wide open. They face it not with fear, but with the confidence of those who have conquered the impossible. Elena's journey proves that a mother's love is the most powerful force on earth. It can move mountains and change destinies. She never wore a cape or flew through the sky, but she was a superhero disguised in a messy apron and tired eyes. That old apron is now a relic of the past, a sacred object that tells the story of survival and fierce maternal protection. We learn that a single mom's strength is the only thing in this world stronger than the massive obstacles she faces daily. This story is for every woman who is doing it alone. You are the silent engine of society, raising the next generation of leaders. If you are in the thick of the storm right now, look at Elena. Know that your current struggle is not your final destination. She often said, "I did it for her." But in the process of saving her daughter, she found out who she really was. She discovered she was diamond tough and ocean deep. She found a version of herself that could weather any storm and come out shining. Let this be a reminder that your sacrifices are seen. They are written in the successful lives of the children you raise. Thank you for sharing this journey with us. We hope Elena's story has ignited a spark of hope in your own heart today. If this story touched you, please share it with a strong mother you know. Let's spread this message of resilience and love. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tales. We are dedicated to bringing you stories that feed the soul. Your support means the world to us. It allows us to keep finding and telling these important stories of human triumph. Remember, no matter how dark the night seems, the sun always rises. Keep pushing, keep believing, and keep growing your beautiful soul. We believe in you. We believe in your power to change your life. You are stronger than you think and more capable than you know. Join us again next time for another chapter in our collective journey. Until then, take care of yourself and those you love. This has been a presentation of Soul Growth Stories, wishing you strength, peace, and happiness in all your endeavors. Goodbye for now. Soul Growth Stories, growing together, one story at a time. See you in the next video.